Hello everyone, today I am going to walk you through a new game called Big Farm. Big Farm Mobile Harvest is the name of this game. As you see, it's a strategy game where you need to build and maintain your own farms. So it's a basic thing. You start with just one house. This is called your farmhouse, which currently I am at level 4, and you just keep expanding. The most important things are your house, a simple house, then there's this barn, then you also have to place certain items like these ornamental trees that increase happiness. If you see on the top left hand corner, you need to maintain a certain level of happiness. These are your farm, your fields where you need to sow your seeds. So like right now I am putting, for reference, corn. Corn will can be harvested after 2 minutes. So that's how. And in this field, it's a meadow where you can grow different crops like olives, vanilla pods, and lavender. So if I click on vanilla, it'll start growing vanilla, and after 1 hour, I can harvest it. So this is the basic concept. This is the apple orchard where you can harvest apples. This is where is a composter where you can make humus that you can use on your fields as fertilizers. This is a silo where you can create fertilizers, and fertilizers are used for apple orchards. If I want to, let's say I'll show you, I'll sell this. Okay, now to start, I need 10 fertilizers. So you need to keep collecting fertilizers. Then this is a chicken coop where you need to, give chicken feed. Now, how do you make chicken feed? So when you harvest corn, then you need to go to the windmill, and as you see, I can make chicken feed, I can make pig feed, I can make cow feed, I can make goat feed, I can make duck feed. So there are different things that I can do. As your level goes higher, the more you can mill at a time in the windmill. So yeah, over here, let's say I will do a cow feed. Now apart from that, there is this thing, fishing there, where you can go fishing. Just go inside, just put this, and you can do fishing. And then fishing, when you catch the fish, they are fried here in in the kitchen, and then you can sell these fishes for money. Now, why do you need money? See, I have $700,000. That money is needed to upgrade your farms. Now, I'll plant some dandelions because I have less dandelions, and so these are, if you see, these are the premium ones. I can use the premium one to get more harvest. Apart from this, when you level up, you get this adventure farm. Let's just go to the adventure farm. You can go to the adventure farm. This adventure farm keeps changing. Now this is a problem because it's not the paid one. Whenever I go to the adventure farm, I have to see this ad. But overall, if you see adventure farm, there are different things for the adventure farm also. You need to there are these rewards that you get when you complete certain things on the adventure farm. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now if you look at this, these are rewards that you get. So things that you harvest, you can sell these. So if I sell this one, I can get the amount of money. Apart from this, whenever there is this bee, you see this bee tournament, whenever you get some rewards here, you also get bees, and then you can participate in the bee tournament. I'll make a separate video for that. So this is how you just keep selling your produce. When you keep selling your produce, you keep getting money and also rewards. If you see, I am getting nails on the 60,000. You need all those material to expand your farm. Now I need certain nails, certain wood, and the wood cutter to expand my farm. So, but currently I don't have enough money, dollars, to expand it. So you have to play like that. Is the duck feed where this, and also this, if you see, is a place where you get rewards. So you can buy whatever you want with your money. And yeah, so that's about it. This is the basic idea of the farm. Remember, if you click on this yellow hat, you can place certain things on the farm if needed. And these are the decoration items that you can place within the patch that will lead to higher happiness, and you would need happiness. If you click on this book, blue book, you see these are the things that I need to complete. I need to collect 230 corn. I need to collect certain eggs, and I need to upgrade my jam kitchen to level 2. I need to collect pigs, etc. So now I've just collected a pig. So yeah, that's how we play this. Super simple, super easy for people who love strategy games. It's just amazing. So yeah, like, share, and comment if you want to know anything else. Thank you so much. See, now this is the goat's cheese, the goat stable. I need to put the goat feed here. That's it. It's a simple game, doesn't take a lot of time, and it's fun to play.